Hi guys, this is Emmy's Playtime. What do we have today to play with? This is Polly Pocket Little Lake House playset. Let's look at all the pieces it comes with. Whoa, look what it comes with. Comes with a pink slide and 3 levels, and this is Polly Pocket. Comes with a dog, ruff ruff. Come play with me. We got 2 drinks over here, a green one and a pink one. We have a fridge back here. Let's put it in the fridge. We're gonna keep those nice and cool. And we have a nice pool over here. Let's climb the stairs and get down the slide. Whee! Comes with the little floaty too. Oh, this is so nice and cool and refreshing on a nice warm day. What's this behind? Looks like an elevator. Let's get on it. Whee! What do we have up here? This looks like a pool. Wow. Oh, so nice. And we have a fireplace and 2 nice chairs. Let's go down the level. It's got 2 blue chairs and a yellow table. What else does it come with? Hot dogs. And a nice towel to get sunbathed. Here is my blue shoes. Let's put the shoes on. And then my favorite part is with a swing. Whee! This is so fun. I can't wait to invite all my friends over. I think I want to go for a swim. Let's put on my bathing suit and take off my shoes and my pink skirt and my pink top. Don't forget the floaty. Look at my purple bathing suit. That's so pretty. Okay. Whee! Oh, this is so nice and refreshing. I think I'm ready to grab my little puppy. This is Max. Hi, Max. I think I'm gonna go upstairs in the bathtub. Do you want a bath? Come with me. This is the bathtub. It's perfect for Max. We can give him a scrub down. Scrub, 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 scrub. Okay, Max, now let's go down on the towel. We can dry off. It's nice and sunny out. Here's a nice towel for you to dry off on. I think I'd like to take a little nap. Where do I sleep? I see something on the 2nd floor. Come with me. Looks like a bed. What's this underneath? Let's pull it out. Whoa, it's a bunk bed. Max, you want to come sleep with me? Ruff, ruff. You can take the top bunk. I'll take the bottom bunk. This is so nice and relaxing. Take a little nap. Time to wake up, Max. You want to get those cold drinks I put in the fridge? Come with me. We can sit on the chairs and have our nice drinks. What's my favorite color? I love pink. Max, you can have the green drink. I'm gonna have the pink one. Pink lemonade is my favorite. So refreshing with some hot dogs. I love my beach house playset. I'm gonna get a tan now. Ding dong. I hear the doorbell. Somebody's come to visit my lake house. Let's find out who it is. Hi, this is Molly. Hi, Molly. You came to visit my lake house. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. Show me around. Come on, let me show you. This is the poolside. It comes with a slide. Let's climb the stairs. This is Max. Ruff, ruff. He's enjoying his shake. Let's go upstairs. It comes with a bunk bed. Comes with a bathtub, and we can roast hot dogs up here next to the fireplace. Wow! Let's go down the slide. Whee! Whee! Oh, I love that it comes with a slide. So refreshing on a hot day. Oh, this is so much fun. I'm getting hungry, Molly. Are you? Yes, me too. Let's go upstairs and roast some hot dogs. There's a nice fire set up there. Look at these hot dogs we can roast. They're so cute. I love hot dogs. Yummy. They're delicious. Come on, Max, join us. Ruff, ruff. He loves hot dogs too. Thank you for playing with us, guys. Please like and subscribe Amelia's Playtime. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.